That's my 1985 Toyota Blizzard over there with snow on it. I know it's capable of driving in this stuff, but I thought I'd try the RAV4. I'm not going to put on the heater, so it'll just use electric. Now, I plowed my driveway, but not the streets aren't plowed. There's a layer of sand under the snow. So it's not like I'm totally without traction. But it is a little slippery, going 23, 25 miles an hour. Downhill into a turn. I got the brakes on a little bit. Power on a little bit. Okay, we've crossed the line into the other town, and they seem to have already plowed. We live near the border between two towns in New Hampshire in the Lakes region. I'm going to turn on the heat. Defroster first. The steering wheel is heated up nice for my hands. That helps. It says it's 30 degrees outside. Light just said traction control came on. Oh, engine is on. But all it's doing is charging the motor. Well, it's charging the batteries, I mean, and warming up to get the heater going, but it's still just in EV mode. So this is all electric. There's some neighbor. Oops, traction control again. Somebody's tree must have come down. I turned the fan down. Up the hill, there's sand for traction, but still, either way, it still holds. Now here's up our hill. Here's the paved part. Pavement ends. And now we're on the hill in the unplowed snow. There are some people gone through. It's a little slippery, but it's going up. So that's the RAV4 Prime in the snow. If you'd like to see more of these, hit like, make a comment, subscribe. Appreciate it.